All right, so graphing in point slope form is not a chore. It's pretty easy, really. It's real similar to slope intercept form, but instead of starting at your y-intercept and then using your slope to go up 1/2, you're going to start at whatever the point is that's represented by the equation. So like this equation, it represents the point -8 for x, comma +4 for y. And so I'm going to plot that point first. All right. So -8, comma 4. I'm going to go left 8. 1, 2, oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my point that's represented by the equation. And then from there, I'm going to use my slope. So my slope's -1. I could think of that as a fraction, as -1/1. And so from this point, I'm going to go down 1/1. Down 1/1. There it is, down 1/1. Or I can go up 1/1. So it's not much different. You start at the given point, -8, comma 4 in this case, and then you use the slope after that. Cool. All right, draw your line, draw you a few points, draw you a good looking line, and have you a good looking day. Awesome. Let's do the next one here. So the point that's representing is going to be -4 for x and -5 for y. Those are the values that you could plug in and get 0 for x and get 0 for y. So I'm going to plot that one first. -4, comma 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 to the left, and then down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there's my point, and my slope is again negative. It's -3/4. So from here, I'm going to go down 3 and over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Notice it is a negative slope, and my line is going to be negative. Be sure to pay attention to that. I can't go down 3 and over 4 more, so I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. There we go. Got it. All right, do one last one here. All right. So we're going to graph y minus 2 is equal to x minus 3. Now this one would be ridiculously easy. If you wanted to put it in slope-intercept form real quick, you would just add 2 to both sides. You could do that. If you added 2 to both sides, you'd wind up with a -1 over here, and then it would be in slope-intercept form. But I guess we'll just do it the way I've been doing these other ones. All right, so the point is going to be a 3 for x, just changing my signs, and a 2 for y. So again, these are the numbers that you could plug in for x and plug in for y, so that gives you 0. All right, 3, comma 2. 1, 2, 3, comma 2. There it is. And my slope, it's kind of hard to tell because it's not parentheses, I guess, but my slope is just 1. So I'm going to be going from here, I'm going to go up 1/1, up 1/1, or I can go down 1/1, or I can go down 1/1, and keep doing that all day long. All right, that's it for graphing. It's not too bad, not too much different than graphing in slope-intercept form, except you start off at a point rather than just your regular y-intercept.